Hi, I'm Nicole, and I want to tell you about my entrepreneur journey. I started my business online, and which is common with most entrepreneurs, we lack capital. However, I did not want to engage in any other business that did not benefit my business and simply would have been just a waste of time. So, therefore, I decided to do an affiliate program. I did an affiliate program with David J. Woodbury, and this was one of the best decisions I've made. I've learned so much about promoting products, other people products, and even businesses. I really wish I had started sooner. What I really like about this course is about YouTube ranking and how to use YouTube to get free traffic. Yes, free traffic. You don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money on Facebook. With free traffic, this is like the best way to go, and I'm so glad I learned this. I would recommend this to all entrepreneurs out there, budding entrepreneurs, and even seasonal entrepreneur. It's good to learn about how to get free traffic. And with David affiliate program, you'll get so much resources. No matter your price point, you too can be very effective. He has a course called YouTube Ranking Masterclass, and I'm so excited about it. So join me and do this course, guys. You will never regret it.